Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Here we come again with a very amazing, very beautiful pinecone ideas and decor in winter season, nature, free gifting and amazing structure of art and craft. In this video there's lots of amazing and beautiful design and crafting ideas for you. You can easily apply at your home and make your home cozy and amazing in winter season. Must watch till the end. you like the video, so please must watch video till the end and share with your friends and family and post your valuable comments, your suggestions, your thoughts. We can working on it and upload our further videos according to your comments and your suggestions. Thanks for your lovely support, your kind attention at our channel. We really must subscribe my channel and must visit my channel. There's lots of amazing and projects for your upcoming, and you can apply all these design and articles at your winter and cozy season, and all your stuff you can use on your Christmas. You don't throw it away.